The festive spirit of New Year's Day was marred by a major road accident in Charilam on Thursday morning. A head-on collision between two passenger buses in front of the Charilam Higher Secondary School left several commuters, including elderly citizens and children, severely injured. According to eyewitnesses, two buses traveling from opposite directions collided with significant force near the school gate. The impact was so severe that several passengers were thrown from their seats, resulting in multiple injuries. Among the injured is an elderly woman whose condition is reported to be serious, along with several children who were traveling with their families for New Year outings. However, every bus traveling from Sabrum Udaipur to Agartala Road usually drives recklessly almost every day, resulting in multiple bus accidents, most probably every single month. The Transport Department need to take certain measures to avoid road fatality accident in future.
bus overtake করতে গিয়ে একটা পিছনে একটা লাগাইছে বহুত মানুষ ইনজুরি হয়েছে এবং কি অনেক বৃদ্ধ মহিলারাও আছে।
কোন জায়গাতে ঘটনাটা?
চৈরাম স্কুলের সামনে।
আমরা ফায়ার সার্ভিসে খবর দিয়েছিনি?
হ্যাঁ, ফায়ার সার্ভিসে খবর দেওয়া হয়েছে।
পুলিশে
খবর দেওয়া
কি কইছে তারা?
আইতাছে।
কতজন টোটাল ইনজুরি হয়েছে আনুমানিক?
ধরুন না 10-12 জন হইব। বাচ্চা কাচ্চা আছে বহুত।
Reported by Jivan from Vishalgarh, Chini, Khorang.